अस्सलाम वालेकुम एस्पिरेंट्स, वेलकम बैक। आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे अप्रैल 2023 के करंट अफेयर्स के बारे में। ठीक है, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। On April 15, Daesh switched off its last three nuclear reactors exiting atomic power. South Africa, Germany, New Zealand, France. The right answer is Germany. On April 13, the fourth ministerial meeting of the neighbors of Afghanistan was held in Daesh, Uzbekistan. Tashkent, Bukhara, Samarkand, Karshi. The right answer is Samarkand. On April 13, Dilma Rousseff, a former leader of Daesh, was inaugurated as the president of the BRICS New Development Bank. Russia, South Africa, Brazil, none of these. The right answer is Brazil. On April 13, Daesh President Luis Linacio Lula da Silva began a China tour. Sri Lankan, Cambodian, Brazilian, Senegalese. The right answer is Brazilian. On April 10, Daesh marked the 25th anniversary of its landmark 1998 peace accords, the Good Friday Agreement. Ireland, New Ireland, Scotland, England. The right answer is in Ireland. On April 9, the Indian rupee went global as Daesh countries agreed to trade in it. 18, 24, 37, 48. The right answer is 18. On April 4, Finland became the Daesh member of NATO. 30th, 31st, 32nd, 34th. The right answer is 31st. On April 2, Daesh center-right leader Petri Orpo won the country's general election. Hungary's, Poland's, Belarus, Finland's. The right answer is Finland's. On April 15, Sajid Ali Sidpara became the first Pakistani to summit the Daesh peak Annapurna in alpine style. Bhutanese, Nepalese, Chinese, African. The right answer is Nepalese. On April 15, the Federal Minister for Religious Affairs and Interfaith Harmony, Mufti Abdul Shakur, passed away in a road accident in Daesh. Wana, Peshawar, Mir Ali, Islamabad. The right answer is Islamabad. On April 12, President Alvi approved the appointment of Daesh as the interim chairman of the National Press Trust. Saeed A. Sheikh, Azam Ali Khan, Midhat Hussain, Kamal Naqvi. The right answer is Saeed A. Sheikh. The IMF has revised downward Pakistan's GDP growth projection from 2% to dash for the current financial year. 1.8%, 1.2%, 0.8%, 0.5%. The right answer is 0.5%. The Golden Jubilee Convention of the 1973 Constitution was held at the Parliament House on Dash April 7, April 8, April 9, April 10. The right answer is April 10. On April 8, ICC elite panel umpire Aleem Dar officiated his last test match, which was played between Bangladesh and Dash, West Indies, South Africa, Ireland, New Zealand. The right answer is Ireland. On April 7, the Saudi Fund for Development signed a $240 million loan agreement to support Pakistan's energy transition via Dash multipurpose dam project. Muhammad, Dasu, Diyamar Bhasha, Karot. The right answer is Muhammad. On April 6, PM Shehbaz Sharif laid the foundation stone for the Lawyers Complex in Dash, Faisalabad, Lahore, Rawalpindi, Islamabad. The right answer is Islamabad. On Dash, caretaker CM Punjab Mohsin Naqvi approved the Punjab Clean Air Policy. April 6, April 7, April 8, April 9. The right answer is April 6. The BRICS New Development Bank is headquartered in Dash, New Delhi, Brasilia, Moscow, Shanghai. The right answer is Shanghai. On April 3, Dash Parliament passed a bill to remove mandatory death sentences. Indonesia's, Malaysia's, Kuwait's, Brunei's. The right answer is Malaysia's. On April 2, center-right leader Petri Orpo won the country's general election. Hungary's, Poland's, Belarus, Finland's. The right answer is Finland's. An in-camera national security session was held at the NE on April 11, April 12, April 13, April 14. The right answer is April 14. On the AJK High Court disqualified AJK Prime Minister Sardar Tanveer Ilyas for contempt of court. April 9, April 10, April 11, April 12. The right answer is April 11. The 41st meeting of the National Security Committee was held on at the PM House. April 6, April 7, April 8, April 9. The right answer is April 7. On April 4, Pakistan and signed an agreement to spend Rs 500 million to ensure better healthcare facilities for children and women under the BISP, WHO, Italy, UNDP, FAO. The right answer is Italy. On April 1, Justice Musarat Hilali took oath as the first ever woman Chief Justice of the High Court, Peshawar, Lahore, Sindh, Islamabad. The right answer is Peshawar. The author of the book Friends Not Masters is Patras Bukhari, Gohar Ayub, Feroz Khan, Ayub Khan. The right answer is Ayub Khan. On April 15, successfully launched its first indigenous high-resolution Earth observation satellite, the IMECE, into space. Qatar, UAE, Saudi Arabia, and Turkey. The right answer is Turkey. So that's it for today. Thank you.